First up, news from Gujarat, where 10 suspected terrorists have entered the state for a big strike. An NSG team has arrived in Ahmedabad as part of a contingency plan. Now, intelligence wing of the Gujarat police was alerted by IB Intelligence Bureau. Security was intensified across the state, including religious places and other security and public sector installations. Combing operations are currently on. My colleague Rohit Bhan sent us this report.
Security has been beefed up across the state following an intelligence bureau input that 10 suspected terrorists have entered Gujarat to carry out a major disruptive activity on the occasion of Mahashivratri. Apart from temples across the state, even here in Ahmedabad, as you can see, security has been up. It has been intensified to prevent any terror attack. This follows an input from the Pakistan NSA to the counterpart here in India, according to sources, that an input was shared that some 10 suspected terrorists may have crossed into Gujarat to carry out a major disruptive activity, and that's why the entire security apparatus has been put into alert mode. And in fact, a team from the NSG has arrived in Ahmedabad. We've been told as a precautionary measure. They are camping in Ahmedabad to augment the security system in the state. We've learned from sources that the DGP has held a high-level meeting, not just with the state police officials, but also with the army and BSF officials at Gandhinagar late night to take a stock of the security situation in view of these inputs. Apart from religious places where the security has been intensified, we've been told that even at public sector undertakings and security installations, the security has been beefed up. Unprecedented security has been put into place to ensure that no disruptive terror attack takes place. This is in view of the inputs that have come in. So clearly, Gujarat seems to have gone on an overdrive as far as security is concerned, considering those inputs which have come in from the IB. In Ahmedabad, with camera person Narkar Parmar, Rohit Bhan for NDTV.